Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Pretend Veterinarian Kit is probably one of the most imaginative and educational toys you can get for your child, allowing them to step into the shoes of a compassionate caregiver and explore the world of animal care through play, fostering empathy and responsibility as they diagnose and treat their furry friends, making it a fantastic way to introduce them to potential future careers or simply to nurture their nurturing instincts in a fun and engaging manner. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Examine and Treat Pet Vet Playset. Let your child become a compassionate vet. They can give their beloved plush pets checkups and pretend treatments, fostering creativity and kindness every day. This comprehensive set includes adorable plush dog and cat friends, along with all the essential tools like a stethoscope and thermometer. Everything neatly fits into a portable tote for easy storage. Encourage empathy and problem-solving skills through engaging pretend play. This toy promotes creativity, confidence, and social interaction without screens. Looking for the perfect gift? Celebrate birthdays, holidays, or any special moment with this educational toy that's sure to delight any child. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been inspiring imaginative play. We offer a wide range of toys that encourage learning, creativity, and development for children of all ages. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive collection of tools and plush pets for imaginative play. If you are looking for a complete package that encourages empathy and creativity with both a dog and a cat, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for fostering compassion and problem-solving skills in a screen-free environment. What people say. This is a great toy for aspiring vets. It comes with a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and other accessories that allow kids to practice their medical skills. The Pretend Veterinarian Kit is well made and durable. The pieces are a good size for little hands and easy to clean. My child loves playing with this kit. It encourages imaginative play and helps them learn about animals and healthcare. Number 4. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to start their medical journey. This set comes packed with realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, a doctor's coat, and a convenient carrying bag. It's perfect for imaginative role-playing. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This kit can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience being a doctor or nurse. With simulated tools and a dress-up costume, they can fully immerse themselves in the role. This fosters creativity, confidence, and develops crucial communication and empathy skills. An ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming doctors or dentists. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for pretend play and role-playing fun. What we like? This kit goes beyond just tools by including a realistic nurse dress-up costume, complete with a light-up stethoscope. If your child loves to fully immerse themselves in a role and enjoys dress-up play, this set will be a huge hit. It's ideal for children who dream of becoming doctors or nurses and want to experience the role authentically. What people say. The kit includes a variety of realistic-looking medical tools such as a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and bandages, allowing children to engage in imaginative play and learn about animal care. The durable plastic construction ensures that the Pretend Veterinarian Kit can withstand frequent use by energetic children, making it a long-lasting toy. The carrying case included with the kit is convenient for storing all the accessories and for taking the toy on the go, promoting organization and portability. Number 3. Battat Veterinarian Toy Set. Introducing the Battat Veterinarian Toy Set, a complete 15-piece pretend play medical kit designed for young animal lovers. It's perfect for toddlers aged 2 to 4 years. This adorable set includes a plush Dalmatian puppy, ready for your child to care for. It's like having a portable animal clinic right at home. The 15-piece kit comes with everything a budding vet needs, including a toy stethoscope, brush, syringe, thermometer, and a bowl. All the tools are designed for little hands to easily grab and use. Not only is it fun, but this toy set also helps build important social and emotional skills through imaginative role-play. It encourages empathy and caring for others. When playtime is over, all the pretend vet tools fit neatly inside the puppy carrier. This makes it easy to store or take on the go for veterinary adventures anywhere. Recommended for toddlers aged 2 years and up, this educational toy set makes a wonderful gift for any child who dreams of becoming a veterinarian. What we like. This veterinarian set is designed for very young children, featuring a plush puppy and a carrier that doubles as storage. If you have a toddler aged 2 to 4 who is just beginning to explore role-playing, this is a perfect starter kit. Its simple, easy-to-handle tools and portable design make it ideal for little hands and on-the-go fun. What people say. This is a great toy for kids who love animals and want to pretend to be a vet. The kit comes with a variety of realistic-looking tools, such as a stethoscope, thermometer, and syringe. It's also very durable and has held up well to a lot of play. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Vet Costume. Suit up and step into the role of a veterinarian with this realistic playset. It includes everything a young animal doctor needs to care for their patients. This costume sparks creativity and empathy as children embark on exciting animal doctor adventures. They can examine patients and tell their own stories. Made with high-quality, durable materials, this set is built for endless fun. The tunic is machine washable, and accessories wipe clean easily. It's ideal for pretend play, school events, parties, or just everyday imaginative adventures at home. Let their creativity shine. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has inspired wholesome, kid-powered play. This toy encourages hands-on fun and learning for children. What we like. This option focuses on the immersive experience with a realistic veterinarian costume that includes a jacket, cap, and even a stethoscope with sound effects. If your child loves dress-up and wants to feel like a real vet, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for sparking imaginative adventures and provides a durable, easy-to-clean outfit for endless role-playing fun. What people say. The stethoscope actually works and amplifies body sounds. The kit includes a variety of realistic-looking medical tools like a thermometer, syringe, and bandages. The carrying case is sturdy and keeps all the pieces organized. Number 1. BELLOCHIDDO Veterinarian Playset. Introducing the BELLOCHIDDO Veterinarian Playset, a fun and engaging toy for your little ones. It comes with a cute plush electric puppy that's ready for playtime. This interactive puppy can wag its tail, walk, and even bark, just like a real dog. It's designed to fulfill your child's dream of having a pet and accompany them as they grow. The playset includes a convenient kennel that doubles as a storage box, making it easy to take the fun indoors or outdoors. Your child can practice pet care skills wherever they go. By role-playing as a veterinarian, children can develop confidence and ease any anxieties about pet care. This toy stimulates their imagination and encourages nurturing behavior. Crafted from non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy is completely safe for children. It features smooth edges for a comfortable and secure playtime experience. This comprehensive kit includes the electric puppy, a cage, and 7 medical accessories. It provides endless opportunities for imaginative pretend play and pet care adventures. What we like. This playset stands out with its interactive electric walking and barking puppy, bringing a dynamic element to pet care. If you're looking for a toy that offers a more realistic pet owner experience and keeps children engaged with interactive features, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for kids who want a real pet to care for and enjoy the added fun of an animal that moves and makes sounds. What people say. The stethoscope actually works and amplifies sounds. Comes with a variety of realistic-looking medical tools. Durable plastic construction that has held up well to rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.